I see you all wondering what's going on here. It might be all these guys, and it might be all you guys behind the cameras. What's going on right now? We're shooting a very, as you can see, complicated commercial, and we're using the power of light.
What'd you say? If you can't slide, you can't drive. That's it. That's just the rule.
Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. You can't drive.
I'm an idiot.
Hey.
Girl, you wanna come to this side? Now you're coming with me. Fuck you like we in the nighttime. Now we doing our thing. Should've told you what you wanted. Now you're coming at me. Got me fucking in some motion.
I want the Somali fish.
Somali?
Yeah, you got some Mali fishes?
Somali or Somali?
Straight out of the Mollies.
That's the one we gotta get. We got the South African
We're gonna bring a piranha.
South African too? Piranha's gonna eat everything, bro.
Yeah.
How about we put you in a fish tank with a piranha, huh?
I know.
Girl, you wanna come to this side? Now you're coming with me. Fuck you like we in the nighttime. Now we doing our thing. Should've told you what you wanted. Now you're coming at me. Got me fucking in some motion, bitch.
Sparkle changed? Everything changed?
Yeah.
If you guys don't know, now you know Tony's the beast. The beast from the Middle East.
That's right.
Tell them, Tony. Tell them.
That's right.
What'd you do on this bad boy right here?
The spark plugs, intake, JB4.
JB4. JB4 for a Kia Stinger. If you don't know, now you know. Come on, let us get you in this TOOFAST TV episode. Tell us a little bit about your baby. When did you pick it up?
Picked it up today.
Very nice.
And you already put in a nice intake. You put in the JB4.
Everything
I love
all done here.
TOOFAST, baby.
The best.
You already know. When a guy comes in with a stylish jacket like this and he says the best, you're gonna believe him. You already know.
Damn right.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
We ain't even open. Burnout Kings hollered at us. We were just at the shop.
We hooked y'all up. Part 2. Detroit versus Toronto. Detroit versus Toronto. We coming with more artillery this time.
Yeah.
And we gonna take this bitch over. We was outnumbered last time, so.
We ain't playing. You gotta come to some of our track days too.
Track days, yeah, I'm down for all that.
You know?
Do something different, yeah. Y'all got the track cars anyway. We're gonna get a dual citizenship, move down here.
Jeez.
I told y'all got the beautiful women, man. Our girl stuck up. Ain't about shit. Don't got jobs, so. I might become a Canadian citizen, man.
Okay.
All right.
Canadian, eh, bud?
I'm not saying A. Thanks for the t-shirt, TOOFAST Motors.
Yeah.
We've been here so many times, never got a souvenir. We don't even be thinking about it, so finally got something.
I've been soaking on the mountain, yeah. Feeling wavy, now they watching me. Bitch niggas, now they flocking me. Yeah, yeah. You wanna come to this side, now you're coming with me.
Yo, man's just shooting a commercial today. It's just getting lit. Ricardo's out here making sure everything's spiffy. Say hi, Ricardo. You're back, you know? Yo, we're gonna get it popping today. You're gonna see some acting. Have you ever seen me do some acting?
The other way around.
I ain't never done no acting. Yo, have you done acting before?
I'm an actor by sleeping trade. When I
Sleeping train.
listen, one time I was going to China, right? I hopped in this airplane, and it was an 11-hour flight. You were watching all these movies, you know, and I had a dream that the plane crashed, landed on top of a building. So the plane, it didn't blow up, but we just landed on top of the building. I got out of it, and I was just like, you know what I'm saying? And all of a sudden, I woke up and I was ready for any battle. You wouldn't believe me unless you got it done. Trust me.
I was cracking jokes to these mans earlier about having to put on makeup, but yo, the makeup lady just got here, so yo, these niggas gotta have to put on some fucking makeup. So you know.
Why you gotta come over here when I'm getting?
Austin, when's the last time you got a hand job, What's good?
Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Salim from TOOFAST. I see you all wondering what's going on here. It might be all these guys, and it might be all you guys behind the cameras. What's going on right now? We're shooting a very, as you can see, complicated commercial, and we're using the power of light. You guys are gonna see what's gonna come out of this. It's gonna be crazy.
Look at this lighting, yo. Got me looking like a freaking angel out here, yo. Like, damn. TOOFAST TV. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and make sure you subscribe. Hit that button down below, cause like we making movies all summer.
I had enough fucking the hoes, fucking the mannequin, my heart is closed. She want the most, she want the most. After I fuck, should they go ghost? But she hold me down, show me around. All part of me that I couldn't see. I landed underground, wasn't feeling you, yeah. Now the lost I found, I can fall in love.
Yo, so that was your first go on set. How was that?
Crazy, man, crazy. I'm in love. I just need to like do the Fast and the Furious type of stuff, like jump out of buildings and like parachute and jump out of airplanes.
Take one.
Shorty, come with me, now you got me in the scene. Girl, I wanna see you now, you wanna fuck with me. Got me feeling I got the spotlight on me. Got me feeling I, yeah, these haters don't like me. I'ma be the guy, no. Yeah. Girl, come be my ride, need my ride or die, no. Yeah. I'ma show you why, no. Yeah. Seen you in the distance, like eyes in the
When you go up.
Yeah, Nick and Ricardo, I'm gonna cue you guys a little bit faster. That looks good. Nice forearms. Oh, good action on top. Who is this, Vinny?
Yo. Man's like, Austin got replaced with Vinny because Austin doesn't know how to turn a wrench properly. So Vinny has to do it.
My God.
now you're coming with me. Like we in the nighttime, now we doing nothing. Should've told you what you wanted, now you're coming at me. With me, got me fucking in slow motion, bitch, where would I be?
Behind the scenes, baby. TOOFAST.
Are we gonna be in next week's episode?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey!
Famous.
Camera roll. And action!
Freeze. Damn. That's it.
All right, everybody, that is a wrap! Yes! 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 Great job, everybody. Amazing.
Tony, good job, man.
Yes, sir. Yes. All right, yeah.
On that note, that's another episode of TOOFAST TV. I hope you enjoyed what you saw.
This was
Ricardo, did you have fun?
Yeah, it would be.
Ricardo's a movie star.
That's right. We're all movie stars out here.
Gang, gang, gang. Yo. But that's a wrap. Yo, we'll see you next Friday, same time, 8 a.m. Friday.
Yeah.
Done, no. TOOFAST TV. What?
TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Gang-ish.
So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
Speed racing, cause I'm basic. In the sort of way just to make it. Got me basic, feeling faded. Faceless, like it was amazing.
If you can't slide, you can't drive. It is what it is.